Okay, now we're going to put the new cable in. Basically, we're just going to go reverse of what we took it apart. We're going to put this back in through here, just so it's routed the same as it was. Get that in there. We're going to plug our 4-wire plug back into its spot. It is self-explanatory where they go. Okay, we've got those back. Now we're going to put this piece here back on, our cable clamp. Just stick it back together around the cable. Okay, and then that just kind of guides itself in there because it is chamfered, and you can just push it back in there with your hands. So there, that's back in place where we want it. We're going to put our battery back in. Okay. Cardboard on that side. Okay, now for the cover to go back on, this goes back over here. And what I do is I just kind of start this on there so the styrofoam stays, and then just kind of roll it right down into place here. Just like that. Holes are gonna, sometimes you gotta just kind of push down, move it around to get your holes lined up to get your bolts back in. So now I'm gonna bring this bracket back over here. It's got my O on it, and there's my O. I'm gonna start the bolts. Okay, you want to just start them at this time. Don't tighten them yet until you get everything situated here. Okay, we're going to put this guy back on. X to X. Check my hole. Okay, now they're all started. Just a matter of snugging them back up. Okay, and that's all those need to be, is just snug. You don't want to over tighten them because you can strip them very easily. So now we've got it ready to go back into the unit here.